the smell of sea salt, but not enough sweat.
I don't think you get angry enough when you help Tanya with anger. I don't think it's wild enough. It's very, very careful and controlled, the way that you're doing it. And possibly because you're all doing a similar thing, but also Susie, you like threw a potato, but it was so careful. You know, I think if you're gonna do something like that, you've got to pulverize that potato.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have to be a huge thing. It could be a small thing, the way that you pulverize it. You know, you don't have to hurt yourself, you don't have to break necessarily objects that shouldn't be broken. But there's a way I think you could lose control with that, which would feel like it has more abandon to it. It was loud enough, but there was something so controlled about it that I feel it doesn't have as much power as it would if. And it's not like you have to feel it, it's just it needs to be more erratic for us to feel it, I think. What?
How would you have felt if you'd have felt the need to get involved as well? Because I did try, I think, to.
I wouldn't want to get involved.
No.
I don't
Just
think
seen
I
it
would.
once.
But some people would. Some people would.
Yeah. But
I
it's
don't
really-
feel I necessarily feel it more if I join you. I feel then that just becomes an exercise of me dislocating myself into your space.
Yeah.
But you know, if I saw someone else from the audience doing it, I don't know, I may have a different reaction. I'm not sure. But I think it's, you know, I think it is true that supposedly through mirror neurons, when we see you go crazy, that activates the same part of our brain as if we did, right? So it's not like we have to actually do it to kind of have some sense of what is happening to you. But I think it's more a rhythm thing and more a kind of uniformity which is going on.